Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to get into halo extensions. This is actually going to be my first time installing one in my hair, but I've seen so many videos and just kind of wanted to try it out for myself. So I bought this off Amazon. It's the brand Fancy Hair, 100% hair extensions, Remy Virgin Hair. Now, Remy Virgin is normally softer, a little bit thicker. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try this out. Alrighty, so first and foremost, you're gonna want to, of course, have freshly washed hair. I just got out of the shower, washed it, put some of the good old trusty Olaplex number 6 on smoother. This is life. If you don't have it, sorry for your hair. Just kidding. Okay, so first what you're gonna wanna do, now this brand in particular is made kind of smaller. My head is smaller, so I don't really need a really long string. So you're gonna wanna place it on your head, a few inches from the front, and it should lay nice. Like I said, it should lay nice and not too far from the top of the crown. It should be maybe a couple inches from the crown. Yeah, this one actually is a little bit too far back, so you'll just have to jimmy it around and shuffle it, see what works best for you. That's pretty good. This color match is beyond words. Alright, and then you can take a comb and start pulling out hairs. Needed to grab a different comb. The rat tail ones are the best. You'll just follow around the entire piece and get it to where it's comfortable for you. Pull some out from the front. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is just a super easy way to, add volume, add length. If you have thin hair, I have thin hair. So this is just a really good way to add some much wanted thickness and length. Alrighty, so I have clipped it, I have brushed it, and like I said, you guys, this color match is everything. I think they had like 7 or 8 different color choices. I had just recently gotten my hair re-highlighted, probably about 2 months ago, but I cannot say enough about this color match. I mean, I'm just obsessed. So I'll put the link down below for you guys. Like I said, Fancy Hair, Remy Virgin Human Hair. It's great. Try it out and let me know what you guys think. Bye.